expressing me, expressing you.
Hello guys, welcome back to X-Pression YouTube channel. My name is Sonia Udeji and your official hairstylist for today. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make high ponytail with fringe. So here's my model.
Hi.
Like I said before, I'll be doing high ponytail hairstyle with fringe using X-Pression Natural Yaki. So let's get it done. So first and foremost, you brush the natural hair, yes, and you use the rat comb to completely detangle the natural hair, yes, to make it smooth and neat. Then you pack the hair. I usually use thread to tie it so it will be firm and tight. So then after this, you braid the hair all the way to the tip. So I always love using thread rather than using rubber band to secure the hair, because I feel it's nice and it won't cut the natural hair. So after this, I still use the rat comb to make sure the hair is neat, then apply the gel on the hair to make it firm and well relaxed. So after this, I'll draw the edges. Yes, have the edges to make it look good. Yeah, apply holding spray to hold the hair because our hair is actually soft. So this is where I'll bring out the product. For this, I usually apply oil sheen to the hair to make it shine and to detangle every tangled part. So what I usually do, I sew from the base all the way up, round. Yeah, that's what I usually do. So just watch me while I sew the hair from the base all the way to the top. Natural Yaki is a soft product with a very good texture. It really doesn't tangle. So I always advise my clients to always detangle with oil sheen and a little spray of water. The length is 22 inches and the gram is 275. So like I said, you sew the hair all the way to the top, and remember I said if you want to detangle natural Yaki, you have to use oil sheen to detangle it and apply a little of leave-in conditioner to detangle it. You can see I always apply oil sheen to make it shine and to detangle the hair. So this is the second hair I'm actually adding to her natural hair. So sewing it all the way to the top, and just watch while I sew it all the way to the top. There are actually more products. I'll be doing more video tutorial. There are actually more product I'll be doing more tutorial on. I just need you to drop your comments on the comment section below if you want more product. If you want me to do more tutorial on our different products we have, you could just tell me what you want me to do. Then trust me, I'm here for you. I'm gonna bring it all the way down. This is the finishing part. It's just to completely use the needle and thread to secure the weft on her natural hair. Then just cut out the and so I'll put the hair to the back and make sure everything goes all the way to the back and detangle the hair. Yes, with my finger, run my finger through it to detangle and get a small piece of from the hair from natural Yaki, just to knitting the weft, just to knitting the part where the weft is showing, so it will look natural. Like I said, it's natural I'm using, so I need to make everything look natural. So I'm gonna do that one more. I'm gonna take another hair to do it one more to make it firm and tight. Yes. One more, so that's it. So I usually use my bobby pin to secure, but for natural I didn't use bobby pin to secure because it's a yaki, so automatically it could just tore into the hair naturally. So I'm gonna get a small piece just to add to the front to make a fringe hairstyle. Yes. I'm gonna sew it to the other side of the hair just to make a fringe hairstyle. It is long. It's suitable for, especially I love using it for my pony because of the length and the volume. See how fluffy natural yaki is. It's soft. I could do it brush it into any part of the head if you want to. So apply my oil sheen to make it shine and brush. So I'm brushing the fringe part of the hair to make it neat and look nice, and voila, just to trim the edges. And yeah, we are done. And this is my ponytail and fringe hairstyle. I hope you learned from this. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget, this is X-Pression Natural Yaki. It is soft. Like I said, the length is 22 inches and the gram is 275. One pack is enough to make any kind of hairstyle. Do you know that there is a prize to be won just by giving us your feedback on the video you have just watched? Yes, you could be one of our 10 lucky winners of the gift packs from X-Pression. To participate, please watch the video to the end, then follow the link on the description part of this video to answer a few simple feedback questions about the video you have just watched. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel because only those who have subscribed to our channel may be considered for our reward. Go on, click that button now.
Expressing you.